Here it comes.
Are you getting it? Set it up on top of this so you're steady up here on top of this edge.
First train down, 3, 2 to go.
It's a CSX.
I told you it was CSX. It's going really slow. I think this is just a local. But hey, first train down, 2 to go. That's pretty cool.
Looks like you're just randomly getting it.
Mm-hmm. I'm randomly getting it. Thank goodness I have Wi-Fi. Norfolk Southern, finally I get to see those boxcars again. Refrigerator cars.
Hmm?
Those refrigerator cars remind me of trains 2 on the Mac. I've seen those before.
See, look at those.
Yeah. Yeah, see? Those look so much.
Those are refrigerator cars.
Yeah. One of them has like a paint scheme that I've seen on the Mac before. Building America. Union Pacific.
Are you getting all those?
It's been 2 minutes and 50 seconds already. It must be going slow.
This one right here, the next one right there. See the one with the big guy on it?
Oh my gosh. He's a gangster. Oh gosh, jeez.
They got cool paint jobs on them.
Mhm.
You need to stand up here and
They're
get 'em.
graffiti. They're graffiti.
Doesn't matter. They're cool graffiti.
Produce Express. This is kind of like the Produce Express train. Going through here. It's pretty slow. I think that was like, the engine was a -9 and a SD40-2 probably. Dang it. This is actually a pretty good spot to railfan up here. Well, this might even be longer than my last train that I caught. And the refrigerator boxcars. Those river crossings down there don't look like they're blinking.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't even look like they got any bells. Well, they do have bells, but it just doesn't look like they're...
Here comes the end of the train.
Oh, yep. Union Pacific. That must have been local. First train down.
Oop.